In this video, we'll discuss about Python booleans. Python boolean represents only two values, true or false. Here, they are giving true and false. True and false are keywords. These two are keywords in Python programming. Let us see how we are to use this. Okay. See, let's print 10 equal to 10. So let's see what we get. I think we should get true. See true. Okay. Print 10 greater than. Let's print 10 greater than 5. Print 10 less than 5. 10 less than 5. 10 equal. See, in this here output is true. Here output is 10 is greater than 20. False, right? False. Next, here 10 less than 5. No, right? It isn't. 10 is greater than 10. So it returns false. Next, here also return false. Next, print 10 not equal to 5. Here return false. Let us see the output. You can understand easily. If you want to know this Boolean values, you must know the comparison operators. In next video, I'll discuss about these operators briefly. Say true, false, true. You must aware of these comparison operators. Yeah. Let us use some if condition. I'm going to test confidence. See example like I go a equals to 5, b equals to 10. If a greater than 3, a greater, a bigger, a bigger, else b. Okay. Don't worry. Next videos I will discuss about if conditional also. Let's just I'm showing example. You see, B become B is greater than 5, right? So B is bigger. This is the way we have to use these values. Next, now how we have a separate function is there. The function is bool function. I'll make it as common lines. Next, so see that is common lines means now using function called bool. What is the main function of this bool is this function always allows you to evaluate any value and give you true or false. It returns This bool function returns either true or false. Or false. Let us see some examples. Print bool, bool of, and you just here a equals to Python, g equals to some value 7. If I do just here a print bool of, I think here we get all this true because non-zero value, non-zero value always returns true. Let us see the output. Non-zero value always returns true. It is taken time as true. See, true, true. If you take not only that, if you take here 7.5 also, you see execute, you get true, true. You are getting right. See, any string is a true except empty string. Any number is a true except zero. Any list, tuple, set, dictionary are true except empty ones. Like if I give just a p of 0, then what you get here? True, false. See, true, false. So if I give 0.1 also, see, let's see what you get. See, true. What I mean to say means any string is true except empty string. Any number is true except zero. Any list, tuple, set, and dictionary are true except empty ones. If I give just here in Python space, just keep it as empty. Let's see the output. What happen. We get false, false. See false, false. So empty string. Give just space. Now you see what you get. True, false. Space also has non-zero. Okay, you have to understand. Next, some value written false. Those values are. I'll show you some more value written false. I think you understand what I this example completely. Let's go to next concept. That is some of the value written false. What are the values like? Print bool of none. See, and no, I think none. So none is equal. It returns always false. See false. Next, print bool of 0. Next, print bool of empty string. Before I said you right. Empty string. Next, print empty list, empty tuple, empty dictionary. Anything it returns always false. See, if you have list also, it always written false. See, false, false. Sorry, sorry. You have to use bool function. I forgot to use. See, false, false. Before I said you, any string is true except empty string. Any number is a true except zero. Any list, tuple, set, and dictionary are true except empty ones. Okay? I think you understand this concept very well. This bool is a method we are using in Python. Next video, we discuss about some special topic, that is Python operators. You know that operators are divided into some arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, bitwise operators. We'll discuss about these operators briefly next video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.